true. So now don't cost the people them say the party are all closed. I wanna make it look so. I wanna make it look so. Wanna tell lies. But when time stadium light never bright enough, like a ring light, we see the truth wanna emerge. For true, we see the truth wanna come out. Someone look to me in price for true. Like a copper shot on a swallow, like the people that make them copper shot, they out a $1 kind or $20 kind. It looks so, for true, wanna look very poison. That is why some persons are saying that the party look like a old clothes, because on the door look good in a gears, fabrics, garments. So I don't understand what I talk say. No, understand. Nobody could find them favorite TikToker in the party just like that. Them have to blink how much. What is wrong? Them have to blink. So enough to talk. Me forgot keep that fashion show. I want some more comments. It's true. When you don't do the boy party justice, when you don't, and everybody will talk about me, I come support me. Someone look, carry yourself better and move on the nastiness and go. When you start drip from before you pay the money for go in, I go in for you. No cute stitch, but a true man. You come at my party, I go tell you, oh, you're classless and tasteless. Me I say, then I saw you come. Me I say, why are you dripping? Like the whole of the wear TCB for lotion and Revlon and Jeffrey. Me say I don't see one person will look like them classy. Not one person look like them classy. You know, not one person who get tricked and have them table and just look like them classy. And you can't say, no man, she did the wrong party. Razor lotion for true. It's true, not one person can look and say, that person is classy, man. Them save the night. You just eating because you could bring a crowd like that. Child, please. If a crowd you talk about me, I talk about money. What do you mean bring crowd? Bring crowd and the whole about hungry and Jamaica hard. Want to block them so quick and I want to explain to them. Eh? And that's the same thing when I mess up Swiss but World Dog not ready for talking. Because the party rum and him not get no money. So yeah, say. You don't know say when things free to run. You don't have to call it togetherness. From once him change the name to TikTok party, at this me never want to talk from man. Let me tell you something. You see once he name the party TikTok Unity, no money no make. No money no make. Once it's called TikTok Unity, no money no make. Once it's called TikTok Party, no money no make. Let me talk the truth now. You can't have your birthday party and sell and then you narrow it down to gutter water. No money no make. That is why he came and he was on the street rooting for his party, which he's not supposed to do. He's supposed to get pampering. You no go suck on a mother. You no go suck out on a mother. Me not ask you. Me not ask you, once you narrow down the boy party about TikTok Unity, nobody not expect for pay. Nobody not expect for pay. Go suck your mother. Me a TikToker, come celebrate, go suck on a mother. And your mouth on a mother. Oh, you can't tell me nothing. No funny that if they keep a picnic. Anthony Chef, what happened? No father not even keep a picnic in the life. It's true. We don't say robbery, enough to call it out. So if that's the case, why you have a problem? Because them are going like that's not the case, that is the problem. They are acting as if that's not the case. That poses a problem. You understand my baby? Yes. So now I answer your question. Yeah. You can't even put TikTok together, everybody a TikToker. So all who pay them $5 supposed to vex. You never know. You never know that my baby. Exactly. Nobody else will keep them party, never call it TikTok party. You're right here. You're right here. Come celebrate, spend the money with me. Them don't know the business aspect. That's why me not listen to people who say the party ram. The party ram, me not like the dance ram. You know much time I go dance and it ram and the counter dry. Everybody come like at the first them I discover music. It's true. Remember money me a talk about, me not talk about crowd because all a drunk could keep a party because people desperate. People desperate for go anywhere now. Keep some, just put a name on something and call it this a Thursday and that the Friday. Ram. Remember all that we used to believe saying that that is Sunday for rebel them alone, you know. And them never even one day come out and tell nobody say, you know, say that is Sunday, it's a partner. It's a partner, it's not ours. None of them never come out. Move. I pay capitalizing one. Where the people them come dirty for blog. They make sure we the oldest set of clothes them for come blog. That is why them talk about subscription only because them know so the truth them are gonna show. Them know the filter now go working on the dark. That's why them say subs only. Move from here, so go ahead. Swissly could have do a lot better by himself. Swissly could have do a lot better by himself. Swissly that never run that joke again with your money. You that never run that joke again with your money. Never! Yeah, you live and you learn, you pay and you earn. Yes, you that never run that joke again with your money. Never. Never, ever, ever. I mean, I say you have your hand for your money. All I know, I say you have your hand for your money. So you basically force people to sub your page. I don't know what you're talking about because you're dropping one mix up where you're not ready for. Because I don't know where you come with. If I me your talk, so if me basically force people for sub. I don't know if I me that address though. No. So you will never do this again. Oh, not me. And that them basically I do, yes. I force people for sub. So you see, so them never go. Let me answer a question. Since so many TikTokers go in celebration of Swissly, how many gifts did Swissly get from the TikTokers? I'm just asking. Somebody say my son earth. Somebody just ask if them go for celebrate the boy, not to capitalize. How many gifts they brought? How many gifts? Rasta Queen Wam, how many gifts did they brought? How many? When I'm at my party, you fly down feet, baby girl, no waste your time because of one thing me not do. I can't keep a party and make people who don't like me come celebrate with me. No, I'm just asking. So it's when everybody talk about bad mind, where you go for? If you go for celebrate Swissly because you like him and you love him, it's his birthday. You not even bring a brooch? TikTok link up that party, then how money to make. If it's a TikTok link up, me not have to buy no gifts. Come and see your favorite TikTok and buy from the bar. So why me did bother spend money rent stage? If we didn't know say a link up, I could have do this in the streets. Now here you don't want to justify the party. Now here you don't want to justify the party. Whatever was sold first, it may go buy. So how it changed now? How would the theme change? Well, if it's a link up, you can't charge me so much. That means say I'll match them a play a party. I'll match. When you don't hear me talking, them people are not have no decorum, them people are not have nothing about them. It's a disgrace and an embarrassment. So there was no gifts. No gifts at the party. Me say when I heard Rebel say, oh me just a draw the shot, say me not dress up. Then you not come to celebrate me. It's a link up. No, me no say not all of the TikTokers them going on. But you understand what I say? How can you treat my event like that? You're not dress up and you mean to say I call up your name and make everybody believe say me and you there. And me it's my birthday. And you're not dress up, you're just a drawing the shots here. Oh come on man. Come on man. You have to do a little bit better than that. Come on man. So if you disrespect the party then it don't make no sense nobody put together. I'm just asking, these are the obvious questions. I'm just asking. I'm just ask. That means that them don't talk from behind the scenes, say the party just fly the gate. Money cannot make an adjust this year drawn. Money can't be making an adjust this year drawn. Lies! No, she dressed for the occasion for true. When you check it out, she did dress for the occasion. Yeah, because she looked like she gonna buy one earring back. She look like she gonna buy one earring back. And this is what I now understand. You see, because the party weren't well promoted, a lot of persons probably not even might know about the party like that. If you understand what I say. You understand me? So I've not heard the party over the airwaves. Me not hear the party over the airwaves. It's not like you hear the party I say like you don't hear chug it. You get what I say? You know like when you hear chug it? I go on honestly. Me never hear the party I push so. Me never hear it a push so. So you have to understand that a lot of persons who would love to go, that would make a statement, might not have gotten the chance because they never know about it really. Or if they even hear about it, it's a blow over the head because it's not been pushed. You get what I say? So that is why now they have to narrow it down to a TikTok link up, relying on the crowd of TikTok. Relying on each and every TikToker's audience to come out and support. That is just it. So right there and then the party was run based on King Donia, Candy, Derek, Rosalie, Swissley, not me can't say word dog. You understand me? 6. If you understand, it was a link up for real. But when it comes to making of money, how it go? Him could get Swiss Lee if I even 1 hour worth of stage show. 1 hour worth of stage show, so it really look like a party. So my question is, why wasn't any artist performing? You see, wanna keep defending. Wanna keep defending. That's why I can't talk to una soft cocky people. It was not a stage show. Baby girl, if you're in a dance hall and you keep a party right there, so or a place like this, so automatically you put in a slideshow. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. You put in a slideshow. You understand me? When you see the things they want to attack, don't name out your mother. Oh, it was a TikTok link up. Make a name on the net. Valiant and Swiss Lee, they was so. Valiant could have performed. Talk truth. You reach there already, take the mic and perform. Run out the night for the brother now. Wow. Wow. When Swiss Lee did make a name on the app like Britney, Valiant and him did so. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Style. Yeah. Talk truth. Them did so. Him could get any sound bite him want. That's why the party that narrowed down. Then they think Valiant did not perform to that crowd there, and the people them look so tacky. Like it's a community treat. One yeah. When you see the truth, you know I call it truth. I say everybody dull because no filter never did there. No filter never did for filter out them blemish and them color. No filter, no bleaching cream never did on them for.